Hello, guys, and have a good day. Especially for the newbie in PC right there. Today, I'm gonna show you how WinRAR is important. WinRAR is very light simple software. Not only for extracting files, it also compressed, secure, and it avoid file to corrupt. It is easy to download in Google Chrome. And if you already downloaded it, now let's go to WinRAR. Just right-click an icon or folder. And let's compress some file. Example, like this folder. Then right-click and choose, going down to click Add to Archive. Just wait until it finish. Then let's see the difference in original file size 318 megabytes. Now let's see the finished archive. It's dropped the size into 243 megabytes. Wow! Let's go archive bigger files like this driver pack. In original file size 4.36, and let's see the archived file. It's dropped to 4.24. Now let's make a secured files. Let's pick some important apps that no one can modify except you, like this net limiter. Just simply right-click and hit Add to Archive. And hit the Set Password tab at the right below. Example 123 and re-enter. Then OK. Now delete the original icon. Now your apps is secure. I have some archived files to avoid corrupt because some downloaded files are easy to corrupt. Note: do not compress active game files. If you attempt to, your games don't play anymore. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat. In addition, I will teach you how to secure files without software. Then let's go. Let's go to my computer. Then open C. Open a folder. Like this. Right-click, go to Properties. Hit Security at the top. Then click Edit. Hit the Uses/PC Users. Don't choose the administrator, because once administrators edited, it might possible that cannot be restored. Then let's go back. After clicking PC/users, check all the deny box like this. Then apply. Then read the security messages. Don't worry, it's all safe. OK and OK. Let's try to open that folder. Then try to restore it. just repeat what we are doing. Right-click Folder, Properties, Security, Edit. Click Users/PC Users. Uncheck the Deny box. OK and OK. That's all. Thank you.